If you recently purchased a banner up starter kit or you've just been interested in them and want to see how to install them, today we're going to install them on this 4-foot by 8-foot banner, so let's get started. If you purchase a starter kit, it's going to come with 3 things. You're going to get these PowerTabs, you're going to get a roll of PowerTape, and you're going to get the puncher. And as we go through this process, I'll show you what each of these are for. So the first thing you're going to do is trim this out. If you've done any banners in the past where you used banner tape or even if you hemmed it, this is different. We're going to trim it completely flush with the edge of the graphic. You don't need any overlap. That's what the PowerTape is for down there. So we're just going to go ahead and trim this right along the edge here. It helps to have a backlit table or a really dark graphic so you can see it. And we'll trim it from the back. We'll trim all the sides out and let's go. So next, once we've trimmed it out, we're going to go ahead and install the PowerTabs, which are these little clear tabs. So pretty simple. All you're going to do, we're going to start in the corner here. You're just going to slide this all the way under here until it's basically flush there. You can see it's kind of square there. And then just fold this over, stick it down on this side. And you're going to do that about every 2 to 3 feet. So on this one, we're going to install 10 of these things all the way around. I'll mark them out every 2 to 3-ish feet on each side and install all of them. So on a normal banner, you would fold this over, or old school, they would hem it. We use banner tape now to do that, but you'll fold it over to give it that extra durability. So with that, we'll use the PowerTape. So with this, all you're gonna do is line this up over the holes you have here, and then just kind of tape it down the entire length of the top and the bottom of the banner. If you had a really tall banner, you could do it down the sides as well. On a 4x8, we're not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna tape all the way down the sides. We get to the end, we'll rip this off here or cut it off with a knife. As you may have noticed right now, this isn't gonna do us really any good as it is. So the last step is to punch the holes. This is basically just a heavy-duty hole puncher, to be honest with you. But it's the right size, so you basically will just line it up in the middle, push it as far forward as you can. It's gonna line up with the hole on the tab, and you should be able to punch through all of them just like that. And you'll go ahead and punch out all the individual holes. And that's how you use your banner up starter kit. As someone who really doesn't do any banners, if I can do it, it is a very simple, easy process. Anyone that's familiar with banners or even completely new to banners should be able to do it. So I hope that answers your questions. If you have more questions about this, leave them in the comments. We'd be happy to help you. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.